Satoshi Nakamoto had something in his mind, and he wanted to tell to the world that their system is not working properly. The entire system is maybe it has some kind of a loophole which needs to be filled by something else, by thinking out of the box. So when Satoshi Nakamoto ran this Bitcoin application on his computer, he also added a secret code or information that he wanted world to understand, that what was his motive behind. So in order to understand what was his motive, I just wanted to show you how blockchain actually, the block itself creates and then works. The very first time when this application ran, it created a block 0. Now block 0 is supposed to be like a beginning of any blockchain network, and then any transaction or anything happen, it should be going inside the block 1, and similarly then block 2. Every block has the encrypted hash inside itself. Like if, for example, block 2 must have the block 1 encrypted hash inside, because if someone changes inside the block 1, then the chain will get break, and which means that data is not is tampered. That's why blockchain network, any data inside these blocks will remain forever as immutable. So you cannot mutate any text or information. Anyway, the block 0, the information was something, block 0, you can also call it Genesis block. It had a secret information or secret text written in shape of hexadecimal, which was converted later on in ASCII, and found that it was mentioned that the time 3rd January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for the banks. So which means that this time is related or referred to the time when the entire economic system of the world was collapsed, and all these banks were accused of being greedy, and they were the reason behind why the economic system were damaged at that particular time, especially in 1997, 2008 and 2009. If you look at this newspaper, The Times, and look at this where Chancellor on brinks of second bailout. This newspaper is again came on the 3rd January 2009. So it seems like Satoshi was reading the same newspaper, and he just copied this information and then he added this in his block 0 just to tell to the world that there is something going on. I mean, the system is rotten and the system is broken, and it needs to fill with the new system, which he wanted to show to the world as an entire new system, which we are now using as a Bitcoin network.